The journey of pregnancy. Welcome to my channel. This is Alema Health Matters. Is this your first time? I urge you to subscribe, like this video and also share. You can also comment on the comment section and share your views about this video, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. This episode objectives are how pregnancy begins and the stages of pregnancy from conception to childbirth. Your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for. This is how pregnancy starts. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. The pregnancy stages. You have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know. From week 1 to the 4th week, this is what happens. The placenta, which transfers nutrients to the baby, is round in shape. And at the end of the month, that is the 4th week, the baby is about a quarter inch long. From week 5 to the 8th week, this is what happens. In this period, the brain starts growing rapidly. Secondly, other organs such as the wrist, hands and leg grow in the same period. The nervous system also keep growing till the end of the 8th week. And finally, genitals start to form. At this stage, the baby's size is about 3 centimeters. And it weighs approximately 1 gram. Remember, all this happens from the 5th to the 8th week. From week 9 to the 12th week, this is what happens. In this period, the fingernails, toenails, and sense organs begin to develop. Bones start to become strong. And this makes the baby strong enough to hold up his or her head. From week 13 to the 16th week of gestation, at this time hair begins to grow and eyes, ankle, neck and wrist become formed. Your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely Now the baby has more muscle tissue and his or her growth is rapid. You may begin to feel babies move during this period.
I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love.
Week 17th to the 20th week,
My summer love.
the weight of the baby doubles than the previous 2 weeks.
Forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
And he or she starts stretching and kicking by now.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile
The baby's legs start forming and skin becomes reddish in color. All this is happening from 17th to the 20th week. Week 21st to the 24th week, the eyes are fully developed along with blinking eyelids.
Your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love.
During this period, the embryo becomes 12 inches long.
You have my heart, you have my soul.
Week 25th to the 28th week,
Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete.
now the fetus is 15 inches long, and by now it stabilizes itself. The baby starts reacting to the happenings of inside and outside the belly. Week 25th to the 28th week, baby can react to things like sound, like pain,
Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love.
then from week 29th to the 32nd week, one can hear the heartbeat of the baby by putting and here to the pregnant lady's abdomen. During this period, the baby can suck his or her thumb or fingers. The baby's weight ranges between 1300 to 1350 grams. From 33 weeks, 36th week of gestation, by now the baby is 19 inches long and fully developed. The baby acts more like a newborn now. closing eyes when sleeping and opening them when awake.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through.
During this period, the baby's weight is between 2 to 2.3 kilograms. Week 37 to the 40th week. At this time, the baby moves less due to tight space.
I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all,
Usually, baby's head is down to the birth canal.
your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Those are the stages of pregnancy from conception to childbirth. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video and also share.